How to fix Cash App failed for my protection. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Have you encountered a failed for your protection error on your Cash App? This error can appear in different forms, such as this payment was declined for your protection, and this payment was cancelled for your protection. It usually indicates a security concern regarding your account, but there is typically a simple solution. You cannot send money that is not available in your Cash App balance, so ensure that you have sufficient funds by checking your cash balance in the app. To avoid scams, be cautious of offers that seem too good to be true, as they most likely are. If you have been a victim of a Cash App scam, you may be able to recover your money. An out-of-date app version can prevent you from sending money. To fix this, update the app through the Google Play Store or the App Store. Go to your profile and make sure that all the information is correct. You have a card linked to your account that is you're trying to use. Make sure it's in your name, and you can't reliably use cards or bank accounts that aren't in your name. The app relies on a stable internet connection to function. If you're in an area with a limited data or frequently moving between the Wi-Fi networks, the app may struggle to send or receive data online, resulting in an error. To address this issue, enhance your internet connection by either disabling your Wi-Fi to solely utilize the mobile data or switching to a Wi-Fi network instead of using your data. If you're a new user at Cash App, you will need to complete a few initial steps. Simply tap on the pending transaction and follow the on-screen instructions to receive your funds. Check your debit card details, and if the card has expired or your billing address has changed, you will need to update the card information in the Cash App. For an expired card, you must order a new one or pay with your bank account instead. To unlink an expired card, tap in the linked accounts, and if you're using a web browser, this may also resolve the issue. Corrupted data might be present there, hindering your transaction process. So access your mobile browser and locate the clear app and cookies or clear browsing data. Typically, you can find this option in the settings menu. If you're unsure why your app is not allowing payments, reach out to the Cash App. You can reach them through by app or by dialing official help desk number between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Cache and cookies do not pose a problem on the mobile app and only create difficulties when using a web browser. So this was typically on how to fix the Cash App failed my protection error. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.